Hello my friends, this is Michelle with Michelle Plans Daily. Welcome to my channel. We are going to be planning in my Live Love Posh compact vertical planner. If you're interested, come and join and have some fun. So today we are going to be planning with the Planner Kate Kit 631, and I believe it's called Frozen Treats. But look how fun. I really want a frozen treat. My favorite flavor of ice cream is strawberry. So the question for today is, what is your favorite flavor of ice cream? I would choose strawberry over anything. So let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite flavor of ice cream? So anyway, let's get started. This is my compact vertical, like I said, from Live Love Posh, and it is my Michelle Plans Daily planner. It's everything that I have to do with Michelle Plans Daily, but I wanted to get a closer look at these. Look how cute these are. I hope that focuses. Is that focusing? So cute. I am so excited to use these. So let's get started. Let's do the top first. And I'm so grateful that I found this planner. I am really liking it. Let's see, let me make sure. Yes, perfect. Well, you know, it's perfect as perfect can get, right? And then let's do this one. Let's see, is that straight? I have my window open. Sorry if that is bothering you. It's just a breeze today, and this fall weather, I am just so grateful for the change in the seasons. Absolutely love it. Okay, so this side right here, I do what I put in this side. Look how cute this is. Isn't that darling? I put in my stats for YouTube and for Instagram. I hope that, is that gonna go down straight? Yay! Somewhat straight, right? It looks pretty straight. And then these go, these little big long lines go, I'm going to start from the top and go down. We'll separate the columns. And then this one will separate the other column over here on the side. I meant to grab the other one, but the ones that go across, but let's just do this one. This is like one of my favorite planners. I can hear a phone ringing. Hold on just a second. Let me pause. Okay, I'm back. All right, let's see. Then these ones go across on this side, or in the center, to separate the days. And then there's one at the bottom that separates the bottom, or just finishes it off, right? Because you have a header up here. And then let's do the side really quick. So the street in front of my house is like 25 miles an hour, but there are some cars that go pretty fast. And that one is not straight, so let's fix it in a second. Let's move this up here a little There. All right. Okay, so then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna actually close that window because that's getting a little too loud. I do apologize for that. All right. So then on this side, I usually just do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So these are already labeled Thursday and Friday, but and those are too, Monday and Tuesday, or Monday, and Tuesday and Wednesday. But I like to use my planner so that it opens up like this and just lays down on my desk. So let's put in Monday. Grab my little tweezers here and put Monday here at the top. And then on Live, Love, Posh, they put their dates on the side, and I actually kind of like it. So I've kept it that way. Plus, then I don't have to, like cover it over. So, and then Tuesday goes here, and it will be the 9th. And then Wednesday is here. These colors are gorgeous. They're so pretty. I am liking this. Okay, so Monday, and then I put the little, let's just put them together. There. Then I put the Monday, I put these just down the side just for color. I mean, I do make this here, but I really like just having a pop of color. And so I'll put the color here. We'll do here. And then pop a color here. And then what I do on this is, let me go back to this point right here. I'm going to use a pink. So these are my stats. And I put down 7 days for, let's see, right here. 7 days. I actually put a little YouTube here at the top right here. And then Instagram. Here. Like that. This one is a little crooked on this side. Like that. Is that straight? Okay. So I'll put YouTube and then Instagram there. And then might as well just do that right now. So YouTube and then Instagram. And then I cover one of these just to make it longer because I just want 7. So I put into 7. And that is not straight. Oh my goodness, come on. I could just cut it, but I just let overlay it. And then that's still not straight, you guys. Seriously, what happens on camera? I just want it to go straight. I really like these colors underneath. Oh my goodness, I can't not get that straight. I'm gonna have it fit in a second on camera. All right, and then I need to put another one here for Instagram. The owner of the company that I work for, when he developed his company 60 years ago, he said, if you can't measure it, you can't manage it. And so I love to watch those as they, I just love how you watch my channel grows. Watch my channel grow. And do you guys keep stats on yours? Anyway, so this is going to have this week right here. That's going to go up as this in here. There's that. And I'm going to put a little pencil. I thought there was a pencil. There's not. So let's put a little computer right here. There. Okay, so then Monday I have a cash video and I have my daily duo. This is like my goal of setting up. So I would have a cash video, which is my mini Monday savings challenge, and also my daily duo. Then Tuesday, let's put a green one. It is, I want it to be my compact vertical. This one will go up on Tuesday. And then Wednesday is my play and save and my EC hourly. And then I'll go to Thursday. Let's put Thursday on here. And I'm just gonna put these dates right here. And then Friday here. And then Saturday here. And then Sunday here. And then let's put the dates on. Thursday is the 11th, Patriots Day. The 12th is Friday. And then the 13th is Saturday. And then the 14th is a Sunday. All right. Okay. So I need to actually go back to these days. So Tuesday is trash day. I like to just add this to my planner so that I know that I need to take my trash. I have it in all my planners basically, but this is just a reminder in my office, like take my trash down. And then also on Wednesday is recycling, but I don't have a recycling on this page with the Planner Kate recycling. So let's move this up here. Okay. And then also Tuesday is my nephew's birthday. I need to wish him a happy birthday. Happy birthday, Brandon. He made me an aunt. All right. And then Wednesday. And then Thursday. Okay, let's go to Thursday. Let's add a pop of color, because that's basically what these are for, is a pop of color, because they don't fit in the things, but I still like them. And then let's do it on Friday. Pop of color. And then Saturday is a pop of color. Did I ask you guys how you're doing today? How are you doing today? I hope you are doing well. I hope that you are smiling or you're finding something to smile about. I am. I love planning this. I love planning in my compact vertical. Actually, I love planning. I love organizing. I love to be organized, and then I don't feel so overwhelmed. Okay, so then Thursday is just a single video, which is hopefully is my horizontal one, which is my gratitude one. And I know I always have to start from the other side. Why do I do that every single time? All right. So this is my horizontal planner, which is my gratitude, trying to focus on gratitude. And then Friday is the 12th, which I was paid last week, so I don't have a cash stuffing, so it's a single one, which is my wellness one, my dashboard planner I use for my wellness. I'm trying to get completely healthy. And then Saturday, I have a sinking funds Saturday from my paycheck. And also, why do I do that every time? Yeah, you're yelling, Michelle, don't do that over there. Okay. And then Saturday is that one. And then that's my teacher planner, which is, I'm not a teacher, but that is also debuting on Saturday, I believe. I'm hoping. And my Sinking Fun Saturday. And then Sunday is a single video, which I hope to be showing my goals. My goals planner, my quadrant planner that shows my goals. Anyway, that is like goals times, right? Oh, there is a pencil right here. I saw that. Dang it. That's okay. And so these are the stickers that I have left over. I use them in my other planners, or I even add them to more of this stuff if I need to figure out something on that. But that is my compact vertical planner. It's so simple and so cute. I absolutely love these colors, and I'm so excited to work in them. And then this one is not straight. Oh my goodness, Michelle. Okay, I need to quit playing with that. All right, so anyway, if you have any questions, please put down in the comments. I'd love to answer any questions that you have. If you haven't liked or subscribed to my channel, I would also love that. I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel, and I would appreciate if you would like and subscribe. I forgot to put the date up here, so I'll put the date, September the 8th through the 14th. And then I have started putting the week sticker. So like 36 or 37, I don't know what we're on. We're gonna be on week 37. I have it. Okay, so anyway, thank you so much if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for joining me. I absolutely love it when you are here. I hope you're having a great day, and remember to keep smiling. Bye!